Hello friends, today we are going to learn new lesson. Lesson's name is Aruna Asaf Ali, the Great Patriot. The present lesson tells us about the life history of Aruna Asaf Ali. Who was Aruna Asaf Ali? She was one of the women freedom fighters in freedom struggle. And so here, in those days, before 1947, what was the condition of our India? Already we know that. Today we got a freedom. Today we get a freedom. We are enjoying. We are happy. But before 1947, what was the condition of our India? Already you know that. Our history, India's history tells us about before 1947. In those days, the role of women freedom fighters like Sucheta Krupalani, Aruna Asaf Ali, Sarojini Naidu, so many women fighters were there. Was very important, or were very important to free our India. Today, we are going to discuss about what was the role of Aruna Asaf Ali in the freedom struggle, and now we concentrate on our lesson. Lesson's name is that Aruna Asaf Ali, the Great Patriot. It is a common knowledge that the British Empire spread all over the globe in the past. Our dead motherland was a part of it, reeling under the tyranny of the oppressors. She found a solace in the efforts of freedom fighters that willingly shed their last drop of blood to redeem her from the shackles of bondage. It is a common knowledge, it is a common sense, it is a general knowledge. History books tells us about that the contribution of Aruna Asaf Ali. Before 1947, the British were ruled, and Indians were, that is a ruler. They were ruler, we are ruled. They were oppressor, we are oppressed. Before 1947 already we know that. It is a common knowledge that the British Empire spread all over the globe in the past. In the past. Everywhere there was a British. There were British. Everywhere there were the British. Means British Empire spread all over the world. Our dear motherland, Mother India, our dear motherland was a part of it. It means that in India, the British were ruled. Before 1947, we were puppets in the hands of the British. They were ruler, they were oppressor, we were ruled. We were oppressed. And so here they ruled in India also, reeling under the tyranny of the oppressor. Who were the oppressor? British were oppressor. British were oppressor, reeling under the tyranny of the oppressor. Tyranny means zulum. Oppressor, that is a British oppressor, zulum karnare. Oppressor means zulum karnare. ते म्हणजे ब्रिटिश होते. आणि त्यांच्या नियमाखाली आपल्याला, त्यांच्या आधिपत्याखाली आपल्याला राहावं लागत होतं. ही परिस्थिती त्या काळामधली होती. Reeling under the tyranny of oppressor, she found solace in the efforts of freedom fighters that willingly shed the last drop of blood to redeem her from the shackles of bondage. It means that the role of the freedom fighters were very important in those days to free our India from the shackles of the bondage, from the chains of the bondage. So here this point is a very important here. She found solace. Solace means comfort. When did she get such a solace? After 1947. Solace means comfort. Comfort means समाधान. आणि हे समाधान आपल्या भारत मातेला कधी मिळालं? आफ्टर 1947 she got such a solace. Solace because of a contribution of freedom fighters, men as well as women freedom fighters. So here she found a solace in the efforts of freedom fighters, men as well as women freedom fighters, that willingly came in a freedom struggle, that willingly shed their last drop of blood, शेवटच्या रक्ताच्या थेंबापर्यंत भारत मातेसाठी ते लढले आहेत आणि या भारत मातेला मुक्त केलेलं आहे. Today we are enjoying. Today we are dancing. We are dancing, we are enjoying, we are happy. Why we are happy? Because we get freedom. Due to the freedom fighters, contribution of freedom fighters. And so that's why the role of the freedom fighter was very important in those days. She found solace in the efforts of freedom fighters that willingly shed the last drop of blood to redeem. Redeem means that is to set free. Redeem, what is the meaning of redeem? Redeem means to set free. To set free means release. Release means मुक्तता करणे. मुक्तता केलेलं आहे. They willingly shed the last drop of blood to redeem her means motherland, Mother India, from the shackles. Shackles means that is the chains. आणि या बंधनातून, बॉन्डेज, या चेन मधून किंवा ब्रिटिशांच्या तावडीतून मुक्त करायचं काम या वुमेन ॲज वेल ॲज मेन फ्रीडम फायटर्सनं केलेलं होतं. मीन्स देअर रोल वॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. Their contribution was very important to free our India. It's very important here. One such a luminary was Aruna Asaf Ali, the famous freedom fighter and the champion of the cause of women. They will ask one question on it. Who was a champion of the cause of women? She was. Who? Aruna Asaf Ali. Aruna Asaf Ali. She became a champion of cause of women. One such a luminary means famous person. Luminary means that is a famous person, suprasiddha vyakti, famous person. One such a luminary was a famous person, was a famous woman, was a Aruna Asaf Ali, the famous freedom fighter and the champion of the cause of women. Champion of the cause of women. Who? Aruna Asaf Ali. Now we turn to the next slide. Read the following biography of this valiant. Read the following biography of this valiant woman whose remarkable achievement is a etch in our history. Read the following biography. Biography means charitra. Autobiography means atmacharitra. It is not an autobiography. It is an biography. It is a biography of Aruna Sapali, life history. Biography of a valiant. Valiant means brave woman. She was a brave. Who? Aruna Sapali. She was a brave woman, and her achievement, remarkable achievement. Her achievement was a remarkable achievement, notable achievement in a freedom struggle. Each means engrave. Engrave means corne. ETCHED. Each means that is a engrave. ENGRAVE. Engrave means corne. In our history of India or Indian history, her name was engraved or is engraved in Indian history. Indian history means she made history. She made history. It's very important. Her role was very important here. So here now we turn to the next paragraph. Known as a grand old lady of independence movement, Aruna Sapali was a fiery leader who plunged headlong into the politics at a time when the freedom struggle was raging and the youth were lying down their lives for the country's independence. She was known as Aruna Asaf Ali. Aruna Asaf Ali was known as grand old lady of independence movement. She was famous. Her role was notable, remarkable in independence movement. And so she was known as grand old lady of independence movement. Aruna Asaf Ali was a fiery leader. Fiery means blazing. BLAZING. Blazing means talapnari. She was a very activist. In independence movement, in freedom struggle. She was very activist, blazing. She was a blazing or fiery leader who plunged headlong into politics at a time when the freedom struggle was raging and the youth were lying down their lives for the country's independence. And such a lady who enter into the politics at a time when freedom struggle was raging. ज्या वेळेला या मोमेंट ज्या फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल ज्या होत्या किंवा फ्रीडम मोमेंट ज्या होत्या, इंडिपेंडन्सची मोमेंट ही उच्च ठिकाणी जाऊन पोहोचली किंवा एका वेगळ्या स्तरापर्यंत जाऊन पोहोचली, त्या वेळेला तिनंही त्या पॉलिटिक्स मध्ये सहभाग नोंदवला. So here who plunged headlong into politics at a time when the freedom struggle was raging and the youth of our India. What was the role of youth in those days? It's very important here. The youth were lying down their lives. Life becomes lives. Youth were lying down their lives for country's independence. Youth also shed the last drop of blood to our mother India, or to our, that is our the motherland. Means the role of the youth was also in those days. And in those days, such the freedom struggle was raging. At that time, she entered into politics. Who? Aruna Asaf Ali entered into the politics. Very important. Then, Born into an Orthodox Hindu Bengali family in 1909 at Kalka in Haryana, Aruna broke a convention at the age of 19 to marry Asaf Ali, a prominent figure in the freedom struggle and 20 years her senior. Her marriage brought her face to face with the freedom struggle and social service which she pursued throughout her life. Life history means year, her childhood, what was the birth year or birth date, yes, birth year of Aruna Asaf Ali, what is the birthplace of Aruna Asaf Ali, everything which is mentioned in this paragraph. She was born into an Orthodox Hindu Bengali family. She was coming from the Orthodox Hindu Bengali family. Now we try to understand Orthodox means what. In Marathi that is a Sanatani. Sanatani म्हणजे धर्माला चिकटून, धार्मिक गोष्टीला चिकटून, परंपरेला चिकटून वागणारे, त्याला आपण सनातनी म्हणतो. She was coming from that an Orthodox Hindu Bengali family, and her family was a Hindu Bengali family. She was coming from that, and such a family was an Orthodox Sanatani. धार्मिक गोष्टीला चिकटून असणारे, परंपरेला चिकटून असले, पारंपरिकतेला मानणारे, that is an Orthodox Sanatani. In English, Orthodox means having generally accepted who's in a, that is a religion, attached to that religious view. Such a the family was that. She was coming from that an Orthodox Bengali, Hindu Bengali family. In 1909, her birth year is 1909. Actually, the date is that 16th July 1909. 16th July 1909. It is a birth date of Aruna Asaf Ali. In 1909, at Kalka. Where is Kalka? In Haryana. Where is Haryana? In India. It is the birthplace of Aruna Asaf Ali. They will ask one question on it. What was the birthplace of Aruna Asaf Ali? What is the birth year of Aruna Asaf Ali? They will ask one question on it. Aruna broke a convention at the age of 19 to marry Asaf Ali, a prominent figure in the freedom struggle and 20 years her senior. Actually, already we know that her family was coming from that an Orthodox, means Orthodox, his family was an Orthodox, and such a family was coming from Hindu Bengali family. Orthodox means already we have learned that Sanatani, धर्माला चिकटणारे, परंपरेला चिकटणारे, like that. But what happened? Aruna Asaf Ali broke the convention. Convention means tradition. Tradition means परंपरा. जी ऑर्थोडॉक्स जी परंपरा होती ती मोडीत काढली. आणि मोडीत काढण्यासाठी कारण काय होतं? The reason was that to marry Asaf Ali, and she married to Asaf Ali. Asaf Ali. And now here Aruna broke the convention at the age of 19 years old, and at the age of 19 years old, yes, she married with Aruna Asaf Ali. And who was Asaf Ali? She married with Asaf Ali. And who was Asaf Ali? Asaf Ali was a prominent figure, great figure, famous figure, leading figure, prominent figure in the freedom struggle, leading figure in the freedom struggle, active. He was also activist. Who? Asaf Ali. Already Aruna married with Asaf Ali. Aruna married with Asaf Ali, and then she became Aruna Asaf Ali. At the age of 19 years old, she married with Asaf Ali. And who was Asaf Ali? A prominent figure in the freedom struggle. Means the Asapali's view and the Aruna's view, both are same. Both are same. Their view are, both view are same here. A prominent figure in the freedom struggle and 20 years her senior. Her marriage brought her face to face with the freedom struggle. And they contact to each other. Okay, no problem. After marriage, yes, they contact to each other. They interact to each other. Okay, no problem. Her marriage brought her face to face with the freedom struggle and social service, which she pursued throughout her life. Pursued means to carry on. Throughout her life, entire life. Service to man is a service to God. Like that, she served to our India. She serves to our India in a various ways. And the year both figure, Aruna as well as Asapali, they serve to our mother India. And the remaining paragraphs we will discuss in a next period. Thank you very much.